Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Today I thought it would be fun to do a try on haul of some goodies that I picked up sort of with Hawaii in mind, some of this stuff just because I liked it. Most of this stuff I haven't even tried on yet, so I'm very excited to do sort of like a first impression, and then a couple of the things I have tried on already, but that's okay. And I figured that it would be sort of fun to go through how much everything cost as well. That way you can sort of have a general idea as far as that goes. I do also want to mention that I did a lot of this shopping during Memorial Day, so I did get a deal on a lot of this stuff. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the video. So let's start with our dear friends over at Forever 21. It had been a long time since I shopped there, but I was just scrolling through their Memorial Day sale and found a couple of things which I really liked. Next up is this new set, which I just love. I think it's so cute. It's got like a little waffling detail on it, if you can see that. I am slightly concerned that they might be super see-through, so we'll see in a second, but it is these really pretty flowy lightweight pants, which I just thought would be so fun for Hawaii. And it comes with a matching shirt as well, which looks massive, so TBD if I'll actually be able to wear this, but I guess we're about to find out together. And I got this set for $41.99. This little set. Okay, so I have mixed feelings here. First of all, I definitely was right about this being super see-through, especially in the back. You can very clearly see my underwear, even though I'm wearing nude colored underwear. You can still see it. But like with this little shirt on, obviously it covers it, and this is like cute with the shirt on top, so I could see that. The pants are long, but I would definitely wear heels with this anyway, but even with heels, they might be too long on me. I really think they might be. And also, they're not made very well. Like the seam here does not go straight, and it doesn't align perfectly with the seam in the back, I think, because like it moves at like a weird curve. So it's not the best, especially like they're selling the set for like, I forget what I got it for, but I think the original price was like $55 or something like that. Like $55 for this set is definitely too much for the quality of it. A little conflicted about whether I will keep this or not. Like I do like this look for Hawaii, but I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it on with heels and see if I can even literally wear the pants. This might get returned. I'm a little on the fence. I mean, the shirt is super long. I feel like I could honestly wear the shirt as like a dress. Should we try that just for fun? Okay, so I actually feel like there's maybe more potential here than in the last. I don't even mind it just like this, but I was thinking maybe like with a belt or something. I don't know. Let me go to a mirror. No. You know, I don't know. This one might be a bust, you guys. What do you think? Okay, this next piece from Forever 21, I don't know if it really looks the way that maybe I thought it would look in my mind, but it is these shorts. They're sort of like cargo style. I don't know about the belt, we're gonna have to see. But maybe the shorts will be cute. I really like the color. I just want something sort of like fun and different. I like the material. It feels like very soft, lightweight, comfy. I'm into it, but I'm hesitant. I'm very curious to see how these end up fitting. I just feel like on the model they looked really cute, but now that I'm seeing them in person, I'm like, I don't know if this is for me. But these went for $13.99. So these shorts, I feel like I like them a lot more than I thought that I would. I really like the color. I actually like the style. I just feel like the legs are really big. Like the legs need to be taken in like, I don't know, 2 inches on each side to make them like fit my legs a little better. Literally on the model, they must have had them pinned on her legs because there's no way that she has bigger legs than I have, and they were not this like big and bulky. That being said, like I do like them, and I even like the belt more than I thought I would. I think they're cute. I do think that I'll end up bringing these to Hawaii with me just like as is anyway, because they're comfortable, they're really light, and I feel like they'll be easy to just like throw on for whatever we have planned during the day. I think they're cute. I'm not mad. I may look into like getting them tailored if I can a little bit, just to tighten them up around the leg area, but they fit the waist really nice. I think I'm a fan of these. And the last thing I got from Forever 21, you guys have seen a million times already because it's these new sweatpants. I know I've talked about these in like multiple videos because I'm obsessed with them right now. So cute, comfy, lightweight, just honestly the ideal sweatpant for summertime. And I got these for a straight $12. not too bad, especially for how much I've already worn them. Okay, here are the sweatpants. I mean, you guys have already seen these like a million times because I can't stop wearing them, as you know. But they're just so cute. They're so comfortable. And I do feel like I could still wear these out of the house, just like styled up a little bit more. I think that they are nice enough that you can do that. And obviously plenty nice to wear around the house as well. They're just so comfortable. I foresee myself living in these for many months to come. The next place I went shopping was on Nasty Gal. Nasty Gal always has a great deal going, honestly. I swear their site is like constantly at least 60% off. It's really crazy. But you know what? Excellent marketing because it's working on me. So the first thing I got from Nasty Gal is this cute little razorback dress. Again, sort of like waffling texture. I feel like I have this exact tank top in like tank top form. So, you know, I guess now I have it in dress form as well. It's that pink color, which you guys know I've been obsessed with lately. I just thought this would be a great summer dress. It's soft, it's comfortable, and it's easy as heck. So really hoping that I like the way this looks on me. By the way, for Nasty Gal, I'm going to be telling you what the price of the item is now versus what I paid for it, only because when I log into my order, it tells me my order total, which is like $99, but then all the items are listed as free. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But whatever, I guess like knowing the prices now, or at least when I'm filming this, is probably more helpful anyway. So this dress is currently retailing for $17.60. Cute little pink dress. I like this. I mean, it's really nothing special, but I mean, it's comfortable, it's easy to throw on. I really like the color. I think it's so pretty, especially when I have a little color on my skin. I really like this pink color on me. I do have to like bunch it up a little because otherwise it's just too long for my taste. I like a little bit of a shorter vibe, but yeah, I just feel like this will be like an easy summer dress. As I said, it's really nothing special, but I think, you know, it'll get the job done. Next, I picked up this button-down shirt, which has like blue and white stripes on it. I saw this and just had a whole vision for an outfit. So I actually bought some other stuff to go with it that I'll show you at the end. Love this, just feel like easy, summer staple to throw on over top of really whatever. Honestly, pretty similar to what I'm wearing right now. Leave it to me to buy basically the same thing. I really like the like fabric on this though. It just feels really nice. So I really hope that like my vision comes to life with this. And this shirt is currently going for $24. Obsessed with this shirt. I feel like I'm just going to be wearing this literally all of the time this summer. I feel like this will be the perfect beach cover up, perfect lightweight like shirt to throw on if you're going to be out all day and it might get chillier later. It's cute. The sleeves are long on me, but not a problem. I can like roll them up like this or like physically roll them. Really cute. This is not the vision that I had for this shirt, by the way, even though this is cute and I would definitely wear this. We're gonna get to the vision outfit a little later in the video when I show you the other pieces that I bought that go with the vision. But overall, I'm into this. It is so lightweight. I mean, this is just chef's kiss, amazing. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with this next top. It is this really cute sort of denim corset top. I did not know what this would be like. I have to be honest, the material feels like a little cheap, but it is so stretchy, which I'm really excited about. I just think this is really cute and I love the little corset trend. So very, very excited to see if this fits me. I hope that it does. I think that it will. Like it looks like it should, but TBD, I guess. And this shirt is $21.60. I am loving this top, you guys. I cannot lie. After seeing it like with these jeans, I don't think I would style it with these. Maybe like a pair of white trousers or something would look cool. But I'm super into this. It's so stretchy. I'm like shook. The only problem is that it's like a little big here. I would definitely wear nipple covers just for like a little extra safety. But I feel like this needs to like come in. Or like maybe the straps need to be tightened because they are pretty like big on me. Ugh, why is nothing fitting me, you guys? I do feel like that might be an easy fix and something that maybe even I can do by myself. So I might give that a try because I do really, really like this top. I think it's really cute. It's like a simple top, but it has such an interesting shape to it that it brings a little bit of interest into the outfit, which is honestly ideal. A basic, but a little elevated because I'm just very, very into this. But I do feel like it would be very easy for someone to look down my top. I'm a short girl, so a lot of people look down. And the last thing I got from Nasty Gal are these shorts, which I just think are so, so cute. I sort of wanted a nice pair of comfy shorts that like I would not wear around the house to just sleep in or anything like that. Like, I want to be able to wear these out of the house, so I want to keep them pretty nice. The inside is so soft. I'm obsessed. And I just think they're really sort of fun. For just like a casual daytime kind of thing, I just think these will be perfect. And these are currently $9.60, so pretty dope deal there. Okay, how cute are these, right? I mean, I know they're pretty casual, but I love them. I love the sort of retro feel that they have. Like, they feel like 80s gym shorts. I mean, that sort of is the style of them. They are so comfortable. I love the color. Again, I definitely feel like I could wear this out of the house, which was my intention with these, as I mentioned. Only complaint, no pockets. I feel like I keep going like this, waiting for my hands to go in pockets, and there aren't any, which is definitely not ideal, but what is new with women's clothing? We never get pockets, so oh well. Honestly, I was trying to see if all of those prices were like similar to the prices that I paid, so I added everything up, and I'm pretty sure that they're less expensive now than what I got for the Memorial Day sale. Of course, like, I don't know how much I paid in tax, but even when I added in my shipping, I was like, this is significantly less. Who knows, whatever. And the last place I just picked up little goodies from was just Amazon, and these were the pieces that I sort of had envisioned with that shirt, the striped shirt that I showed you. Unfortunately, I apparently did not read one of the descriptions of one of the pieces very well, and it is not what I thought it was, but let me just show you. So first up, I got another corset top, this really cute white one. Love this. I have had this in my cart for so long and finally pulled the trigger on it. I sort of was picturing like a white like mini skirt with a white top and then that blue shirt on top. I just think that that would look really cute. So that's sort of the vision. Love this. I really, really hope it fits me. I'm a little nervous about the sleeves, but we'll see. And then this is the skirt. I did not realize that it was like a leather material when I bought it, but we're gonna try it anyway. Maybe like all the different textures sort of come together in a fun way. This is what I wanted though, was like a skirt with a little like slit moment, like little split hem. So hopefully this works out, we'll see. And I got this skirt for $24, so pretty good. I feel like this could be cute. We're gonna see. And this top I got for $27.99. Not so bad for like a pretty on-trend top right now. And I do like the quality. Like, I think it's pretty nice. We'll see how it fits though. This skirt, no, just no. It's giving businesswoman, which was definitely my concern with the cut of it in general. And then when I saw it, it was also leather and it doesn't fit that well. It's a no. So this top I am super into, actually. Again, the sleeves are like, they're big on me. But I don't care because I like the top and I feel like they will stay up. They definitely are big, but they'll stay up fine, and maybe I could do something about them. Maybe. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I really like it. Obviously, not with this skirt. I would need to wear something a little bit more low-rise so that you get a little skin on the side. Short torso problems, you know. Okay, and this was the vision, you guys. As you can see, definitely not coming to fruition with the skirt situation, but I hope you can sort of see what I was trying to do. I'm thinking just all white with this on top. I think that's just a really cute little fit that I had in my mind. Unfortunately, it will not be happening in Hawaii because I'm going to return this skirt and oh well, but that's okay. Maybe I'll wear like white trousers with this top in Hawaii and then this like shirt over top. And then my vision can like semi come to life still. Because I do think this would be really cute. It's not working. And the last thing I got was actually just, I don't know, I think Amazon suggested this to me because it's not something that I would really go out of my way to look for, but it is this Klein watch, which I just thought was really fun. It's mixed metal. I've sort of been wanting to add to my stack. I have some other bracelets on the way as well. So I was sort of intrigued by this. I am not like a watch gal. I don't even think that I would like make this work, to be honest. I know that's horrible, but this is just an accessory to me, truly. It is like a little, well, not a little, it's pretty damn big on me. So I don't know if it's possible to like remove some links. So I need to do like a little bit of research on whether I can make this actually fit me. Cause if not, I'm definitely gonna return it. It's like 2 links too big, but like, wouldn't that be sort of cute? I really like it. I like the style and everything. So I don't know, TBD, I'll keep you guys in the loop. But this watch I got for $33.29. So definitely gotta make sure that I can get it to fit me. Otherwise, I'm not spending $33 on this, on anything. Obviously, I'll make returns for anything that I need to. And there you have it. That is everything that I bought for Hawaii in preparation for summer. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, of course, as always, for you guys. So if you are interested in shopping anything, check down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.